Welcome to Muse's Sight Word Shape Up. Here are the words in today's session. Get ready.
This is the word yes. What word? Yes. The dog is nodding his head yes. The dog nodded yes. This is the word say. What word? Say. Can you say that again? I didn't hear you. What did you say? This is the word went. What word? Went. It looks like they went shopping for groceries. They went shopping. This is the word under. What word? Under. Looks like the dog is under the bed. The dog is under the bed. This is the word are. What word? Are. Oh, look, they are in the kitchen cooking. They are cooking. This is the word please. What word? Please. Can you please help me? Can you please help me?
We finished today's words. Now let's read them again.
Yes. Say. Went. Under. Are. Please.
Now get ready to try them on your own. Great job! You finished today's Shape Up. If you want a few more ways to practice with today's words, then check out our Teachers Pay Teachers store. Be sure to check us again next time. Like and subscribe. We'll see you later.